To another video. Today this is going to be a second test of the fire line. Let's get started. So this is a horse drill system. So this right here is a simplex 499 true horse drill. Then this right here is a simplex 499 true horse drill. This is actually the same one as this one, but this one right here is different. And this is white, and this is a simplex 499 horse drill, but this is red. Doesn't say tree red. But without further ado, let's start this test in 3, 2, 1. So a little bit more of the simplex. This is not how people will know how to use the simplex. Anyways, that was it for today's system. If you liked it, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Farewell.